Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower DSG transmission in sleek black. This estate-type Jeep is packed with luxurious features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and voice control. Safety is a priority with collision avoidance braking, multiple airbags, and traction control. Make every drive comfortable with air conditioning, rear armrest, and luxury trim. With security features like centralized locking, LED lights, and parking assistance, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience the ultimate driving experience? Contact us at spiritskoda.ie or call now for more information.